To insert SIM card into the Redmi Note 15, first of all prepare the SIM injection tool, grab your phone like that, and here we can find this SIM slot. So we have to input that over here. Now we have to gently press on it. If you cannot do this, just make some correction and do this one more time. Now as you can see, we have to grab this with our fingernails especially and gently take it off. Now as you can see, in this smartphone you can find two SIM card slots, so we can input this card over here into the first one with the cutout like that. And when you put it properly, as you can see, it's completely flat. It will don't go above the frame of the SIM slot. And when we put it back, we have to make this face to the screen, so just like this, and take a look. That's how you have to put it inside. Now use your fingernail to put it inside, and now you will get the pin code that you have to input.